To enable and use Circle to Search in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter the display options, and then we can scroll down until we find the navigation bar. Click on it, and then there's Circle to Search. You will need to activate it with the switch. After that, we can click and hold the home button. And that way you will activate a Circle to Search. Now there's multiple different ways that you can use it. Let's actually go back to the settings because it's much easier to showcase it. So if we enter Circle to Search, we can tap on anything on the screen to basically perform a Google search with it. Alternatively, you can also select the text. So if you want to copy a text that normally you wouldn't be able to, you can click and hold it and then copy the text like this. You can then also translate it. If you want, you can also translate entire page by clicking on this button. Then it will detect the language that is on the page and translate it to any language that you can pick. Now we can go back and select this button, which allows you to detect the music that is playing in the app. So if there would be actual music playback, I would be able to press on it and then detect the music title. We can also click right here to perform the Google search with entire screenshot of that page. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.